Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. What if I tell you that you can earn money online by typing super simple words, which can take 2 minutes of your time? You may do this by using your phone, computer, or any other device at any time and from anywhere as long as you have access to the internet. Now, the more words you type, the more money you can make. So if you type for 5 minutes, you can make $50. 10 minutes, $100, 20 minutes, $200, and 60 minutes, you can make $600, which is insane. Want to know the secret? Don't worry, just keep on watching and I'll show you the step-by-step procedure how. I've also prepared a few surprises and special bonus tips for you somewhere in this video so you can earn double money. But before going further into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Press the notification bell so it will notify you whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, feel free to leave a comment below. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. The first website that we will use today is askwonder.com. Before we proceed to this, I'd want to show you a few things right here in this video. First, when you go to this website, scroll down to the very bottom of the page and you'll see something like this. Earn while you learn. Join our team as a research analyst. Then click on the Apply Here button. Okay, now click on this button and you'll be taken to this page. Earn money using your mind, work when you want, and expand your resume and your mind. Now this website helps you to get paid for typing on the internet, and I'll show you how to do it on your phone or computer. The first step is to complete this application form. All you have to do is provide your name, email address, and password. You can also enter whatever country you want because they welcome people from all over the world. Then just pick up on these and click on Start Application. So once you've completed your application, they'll send you an activation email with the subject, Activate Your Wonder Account. Make sure to click on this blue button to activate your account and then click on the link to verify your login. Once you've done your registration, go to these pages and click Welcome to Wonder and your name. Then we'll be able to start completing different typing jobs, typing projects, and research projects and start making money right away. Follow the steps carefully and you should be able to complete these tasks quickly. Make sure to stay tuned because this is a lot easier than it appears. Don't worry, this is really simple and anyone can do it for free. So before I explain how to start typing and earning money online, I'd like to show you these 4 stages so you can understand precisely how it works. You can visit the research dashboard when you're ready to start working, says the first step on this website. This is your research dashboard. You can find various projects and different tasks to work on so you can begin receiving money. The second step is for them to assign you a task to work on. Now, as you come across different projects, you may join them and begin working on them. The third stage is to collect and analyze the data. In other words, you'll have to type anything and you'll be able to earn money. Step 4. Submit your work and celebrate once you're able to receive your earnings. So right now, I'm on my research dashboard, which means I can find different projects where I can do some research and start typing and making money. The reason why this is so effective right now is that you don't need any experience or do much research because all you have to do is use a special Google trick that I'm going to show you. But first, I'd like to give you an example. As you can see, if I click on marketing and then market size and then I click on this button right here, they'll find a lot of different jobs to do, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 right here, which are 6 different projects in just one category. A lot of people, when they get these jobs and the projects, are like, what were the most expensive TV shows made in history? They may think that this is a difficult task to work on. So what I want you to do right now is go to google.com. You can complete these tasks using your phone or the computer. Right now, it's not particularly important. So let's return to the project and highlight everything. Okay, copy and paste everything into the box. What is the most expensive TV series made in history? We'll probably paste the complete query on Google and then press the search button. When you press the search button, you'll see a number of different search results, as you can see above, with a lot of different responses. that we can easily type into a Google Doc. So this is our project, most expensive TV show produced, in which we must provide a top 10 list of TV series, after which they will pay us the money. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. It's much easier since you're using Google to discover the answers for us. Now all we need is a top 10 list for the most expensive TV shows, and once you search it on Google, you will be provided with all the answers. As you can see, listed on each number are their explanations. Here on top are all of the most basic points in a bullet form numbering 1 to 10. Alright, so these are the answers we're looking for. Now we're going back to Google and search for what were the most expensive TV shows in history. This is the first website that comes up, most expensive TV shows, and we're just going to click on this link right here, and then we'll go to this website, 10 of the most expensive TV shows ever made, as shown here. Now that we've scrolled down to the bottom, we'll find the exact answers. As you can see, these are the ranked TV shows. You don't even have to answer them correctly since all you have to do is to Google and write the question, and then we'll get straight to work. The next step is to copy them and highlight everything from the top to the bottom. Let's do it right now, okay? I'm going to do it live in front of you. Here, we're going to start from number 1 and go all the way to number 10, and then I'm just going to copy these and paste everything here. As you can see, it's all the way from number 1 to number 10, including images. You don't have to type it out yourself, and you don't have to really answer the question, but you do need the appropriate method, which is to conduct research using Google and then copy and paste the answer into the box as if you were entering it. But for some clients, finding the direct answer on the first webpage is not so simple. That's why before I show you another task that is more difficult, I'd like to give you another example before you go ahead and try it on your own. Okay. Now that I've finished the first, I can easily earn $50 to a few $100s just by doing them. We'll do the same thing for the second question, which is, what are the fastest expanding cities in the United States? As you can see above, we'll highlight the question from there and copy and paste a complete query into Google. Here is the search result for, what are the fastest expanding cities in the United States and what's driving the growth? Okay, I'm going to repeat the same process and then press search. Right now I'm going to see a few sites, but the question is a little bit more difficult. Meaning, I might not see the exact answer on the first website as you can see here. But I can easily find the answer for the first question on the first website, which is good because it's free and we can make money by simply copying and pasting without actually typing. This is the power of this method, and that's it. We hope you find it useful. So what do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as our primary source of income? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. If you love similar concept like this, take a look at our other videos. And if you like it, please hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. See you in our next video.